Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so many days since I last uploaded, but I broke my phone and I had no way to film, and it was just a lot of things, and now I have another phone. It's not as good, but it will do. So I am back with a stationery slash craft supplies slash back to school supplies haul. Now I will not be going back to school, but I will be going for my first year of college, and I do have an idea of what I'm going to be using to study. So I did not buy a lot of stationery per se, but I am going to buy a few things from Amazon. So keep a lookout for that. But other than that, I bought a few craft supplies for my DIYs that I will be uploading here. So let's get on into it. The first thing that I got is this poster color set from Camel. I got the 6 shades set. I mean, this is very generic, all of us have had this, but I really wanted poster paints and not like acrylic paints. So these are for 65 rupees, and I got like the set of 6. We all know how amazing these are, so yeah. The next thing I got were these acrylic paints. These are actually fabric paints from Fevicryl, so they work for everything. Now I'm sure all of you have seen this, but in case you have not, I will insert a picture, or I'll just insert a picture of these right now, like on the screen. These were, I don't even remember the price, I'll have to look for it. Yeah, these were 200 rupees for 15 ml each, and they have 10 shades. Beautiful colors. I love these. I really do recommend these if you want to get like vibrant shades, because the poster colors in the 12 shade do not have those many shades. The next thing that I got was this ginormous thing. So I got a huge expandable folder. I did look for some on Amazon, but they were ridiculously expensive, and this was like 20 rupees, so I thought this should do. And I also got a lot of ruled paper. The reason I got so much ruled paper is because I will not be using notebooks. I will be using loose leaf sheets and binders for this year, because for the next 2 to 3 years, because I do find that easier to work with rather than notebooks, because I find like notebooks get over like in a jiffy for me. Those were, I don't remember the price, but you can find these in your local stationery stores. They're very cheap, and I do recommend getting these expandable folders, because you can hold so much of paper inside them. So yeah, I don't have a lot of things left. As I said, this is a very small haul. The next thing I got were these alpha chisel markers. These are my school used to use these all the time for chart making and everything, and I needed some good thick markers. I will also insert like a picture of the swatches right here. Yeah, so they're a set of 10. You get orange, red, purple, black, light green, brown. Is it? Yeah, this is brown, blue, pink, green, and yellow. The pink is more of a magenta and a fuchsia, but I don't mind it because I think it works well as a pink as well. The next thing I got is something that I'm the most excited for. This is the Lynx Pentonic pen set. I was looking for gel pens that were not Pentaleno gel, because the Pentaleno gel is too thick for my liking. And these are a new launch, and they launched in March maybe. So of course it's Link, so it's great. You can also, I think you can get them online at www.linkpen.com. These were 150 rupees, so which is kind of pricey, but you do get your own plastic case, and it comes with your 4 generic, like your normal blue, black, red, green, light blue, orange, purple, pink, brown, golden, and silver. It also comes with golden and silver, which I was very happy about. And of course, the pen case is a plus. I'll add the swatches again. Then, of course, yeah, both of these are made in India, as well as the paints, because I'm trying to, let's like support Indian brands. So yeah, the next thing I got were these 4 craft notebooks. These are all, as you can see, crafted in India. I got 4 of them, 1 black and 4 normal. I'm also getting 6 more from Amazon. I want to see which one of them is better. These were 75 rupees each, and I think it's decent enough for 75, because you have the ruled ones and you have a dot grid as well. This is a dot grid notebook. So I think it's great that they have different, rules and dots as well, because a lot of people can use them for bujo. Which reminds me, I will have like an August spread for the bullet journal coming up. um I did get 4 of these because I will be doing a DIY video, and then I'll be giving some off to my friends, because we did miss birthdays this year, and I like to give people personalized notebooks, because it's like a touch of personalization that everybody will love. And these are the last two things I got. I got the Zig Painty alcohol marker. This is a permanent gold marker, and it's an alcohol based marker, so it's a great quality marker. This is only 120 rupees, whereas you get the pilot one for like a good 250 rupees. So this is half the price. It's made in Japan, so it's a good quality, like a good pen. And this has a plastic tip, and also it does write very well. I will try to like take a picture of something that I've written on, because it needs plastic, so you can't really write on anything and everything. Like, of course, it is an all surface pen. And the last thing I got was this whitener tape. I ran out of my old one, and I couldn't find the refill for these. Like, if you guys do know where you can buy refills for whitener tapes, let me know in the comment section, because I really do want to buy refills and not buy like chunks of plastic all the time. So yeah, and this was around 30 rupees, so this is you can find this on each and every stationery store. Okay, so I think that is it for now. I will upload more often from now on, because I finally have my own phone, and everything will be okay from now. Again, I'm really sorry if I was not able to upload more often, but I hope you guys like the video. Please like or dislike whatever you feel like, because it will help me know what kind of content you all like. For a back to school supplies haul, comment down below and tell me what other videos you want to watch, because I would love to know what you guys want to watch. Also, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and bye bye.